In this video, I will show you how you can post landscape pictures on Instagram. To get started, the first thing that you will need to do is to open Instagram and your device and make sure that you're signed in into your Instagram account. Now go ahead and click on that plus button at the middle of your screen and select a landscape photo that you want to post. Click on that icon above the recents and you'll be able to post that whole landscape photo on your Instagram account. So you can also do this with multiple photos and videos on your device. Now once you're done selecting photos and videos, go ahead and hit on that next button at the top right corner of your screen. And then here you can go ahead and incorporate a song to your post. You can go ahead and incorporate a filter for your photo and many more. On the next step, you can go ahead and customize how your post will look like on Instagram. You can add a caption to your IG photo and hit on the share button to post this to your Instagram account. And that is how you can simply post landscape photos on Instagram. Thank you so much for watching and we'll see you in the next video.